Hi. Thanks for joining us at Hillman Reid. Let's get started reviewing how to create yourself a sample order. Visit your Shopify Admin Dashboard and let's click through on orders. We're going to create a new order. We'll add a customer, which will be your own account. Next, we'll need to choose up to 5 items or 1 bundle. Let's select some stuff we really want to try. You may as well take advantage of your discounts. If you need more than 5 products, we can bill extra for shipping, or you can visit our wholesale section on hillmanreid.com. Now we have a great list of sample products. Here we'll click on discounts and apply a 100% full discount, to prevent paying yourself for your own sample order. If you don't apply a discount, you'll be billed in your store payment processor, as well as by us, so you save transaction fees by discounting. Next, we'll create a shipping option and list free and enter a $0 value. Our app will bill your credit card on file for 40% of the MSRP and flat rate shipping. Okay, let's click on collect the payment and then mark as paid. You can then process the order. That's it. We hope that helped, but feel free to reach out to us with any questions.